Hello, welcome back to WINFXTRADING YouTube channel, the only channel that has been optimized to make you rich trading the Forex synthetic market. In today's video, I'm gonna show you mystery of trends and change of trends, Wyckolfs. Okay, now this topic is very important if you really wanna optimize your trading level. A lot of people are trading and they keep having streams of losses. Like trading session 1 you lose, trading session 2 you lose, trading session 3 you lose, up to trading session N. Like let's say N is 10, you still lose. Okay, this is not something you should take for granted. That's why I released this topic. A lot of people ignore the power of trends and the variables that will happen with respect to trend, because trend is not constant. It changes over time. And your ability to understand that even the changing trend could be like something that behaves in the same way waves behave. Okay, if a market is moving to the upside for a certain period of time, that exists an interval of time when the price will also change direction to the downwards. Because this presents huge problem to amateur traders or to those that don't have experience in trading. So if you are holding a trade that is in uptrend and you cannot be able to understand that this uptrend will not last forever, if despite the location of the take profit, once you don't have this idea, all your profit will go back to loss due to changes in trend. Okay, so if changes in trend keeps making you to lose money over time, it means that you will lose more money, because market changes in trend at certain frequency that is like kind of problematic, that can cause problem to a lot of traders, and so we have to deal with this. So this topic is gonna help you. It's gonna help you to go far, and I think if you haven't subscribed to WINFX Trading, it is high time you do that and try to refer your network to this channel so that you do push us to high level of audience. If you haven't actually subscribed to our VIP signal service, you have to do that, because action speaks better than words. You really need to take action if you really want to optimize your trading and make a lot of impact in your profit level. You have to be our VIP subscribers, and you actually need to enroll for our courses so that you can go far in this journey of trading. So I'm gonna read these few documents so that I can go to charts to on the practical part of this content. Trend means that price is continuously breaking level in a fixed direction. Trading in the direction of trend gives one quick profit as price movement is certain. A change of trend which can occur due to Wyckolf distribution or accumulation can lead to steady losses if one cannot be able to deal with such accordingly. Okay, so as I'm going to chart to explain this, you will see the meaning of this document. Like when I say trend means price is continuously breaking level in a fixed direction, then you will know. And when I say change of trend can lead to steady losses, I'm going to show you why. Okay, so right now let's go to the practical charts. Okay, this is USDJPY chart and the 4 hours time frame. Okay, we're going to use 4-hour time frame to explain this topic. So we shall start with a trend, and then we go to change of trend. Okay, now if you look from here to here, from here to here, we can say that this market is trending downwards along this path. Okay, so trend is not matter of impulse or retracement. I'm explaining trend as a kind of event that break level in the market. So the plan in which the level breaking is maximum is going to be used as the trend, and is the direction we should be pursuing and be trading, even though other kind of trend might exist. So a retracement can also be a trend. Impulse is also a trend. But the problem is, in selection of trend, you need to select wisely. I prefer to trade impulsive trend than retracement trend. Okay. So a trend is a kind of event that shows that price action is active and alive in a given plan. So if a market is activated and alive in an upward plan, no matter how you try to trade in the downward plan, you will lose more money. So trend, being conscious of trend and being expert in following trend will make you to trade living part of the market. How will you feel when you are selling a market that is actively buying? You will see that it will buy for a long period of time because the buy is now the trend. So a trend lasts for infinity of time. So it will buy for an infinity of time and then you will lose money selling for infinity of time. Okay. So these are the things that you need to take note of. So I select here as a trend in the hedge for time frame because I see break of structure. Market is breaking level. It has a lot of costs to break level in this direction. So why not believe? Why should I just think that I should be buying when this market is like it's downwards trending, like it's trending downwards? So you see, lack of understanding of trend and change of trend is biggest problem in trading industry. So when we have this market that go like this, so this is a change of trend. What do you do as a wise trader? You have to take your profits or you try your SL to enter when you are selling along this path. Okay. So when you notice that this, let's say you entered this market here using impact signal. This is an impact signal. You enter here, immediately you start seeing this change of character where the market is no longer making lower low. It just creates structure and break them in opposite direction to the previous breaking direction, or to the previous direction it is breaking. So you see immediately price came upon this, let's delete this. Immediately price break here. That's a sign of change of trend. When the trend change, it means that the price is no longer doing what it was doing before. Like it's no longer breaking level, you know, as it was doing before. So we have before and after. So this is a trend. It's breaking level in the downwards direction. So it is downwardly trading. I'm sorry, trending. But this one is now breaking level in opposite direction, which is upward. So the trend have changed. So this is what I mean by change of trend. Now, one of the easiest way to know when trend is changing is to use moving average loops and get it activated in the 1 minute time frame, at least for it to, uh, you know, for it to notice. 5 minutes time frame will be good, not 1 minute, okay? Because 1 minute might carry a lot of error. So for we to notice the change of trend, we really need to use moving average loop and activate 5 minutes time frame. So let's go back to the H4, and in the H4 we are actually trading this plan. Um, we're actually trading this plan when it is trending downwards. And so when we go to the 5 minutes time frame and track this plan in the 5 minutes time frame, let's see if we can be able to spot that change of trend so that we close our trade manually, or set a kind of TP so that before the trend change we have taken our profit. So you see, we'll be using the a kind of attempt. Remember the rectangle, see where the rectangle start? We'll be using attempt, like how many period, what is the frequency at which the moving average are trying to show that trend is about to change. So we start from here. You see, we are selling, right? So price is supposed to remain below the moving average loops, and the moving average loop should not cross downwards, right? I'm sorry, should not cross upwards. That shows that the selling is still alive. Okay, so you see the moving average keep reacting, trying to cross each other to the outside, but it keep failing. It tried to cross here, it couldn't work, it keep failing. That shows that sellers are still strong. It tried to cross here. Yes, the trend moving averages have to cross for we to believe that trend is about changing. So if two just cross, then it is a kind of fake out. So you see, it keeps selling. And you see how much people should have generated here? Man, it's crazy. It's crazy, man. It's crazy. So it keeps selling. It keeps selling. Now there is a crossing here, a perfect crossing, because it is straight crossing, because all the moving averages crosses. This is moving average 200, the black one. This is the blue moving average 200, moving average 200, the black one, the blue moving average 100, the red moving average 10. I'm sorry, 50. So here, once you see this critical point that happen here, once this crossing has been confirmed, maybe the price is somewhere here, you are taking your profit. When you take your profit, what do? You monitor the market, you monitor the asset. You just monitor this change of trend event. You don't need to trade it. Why? Because you already know that in the higher time frame the trend is downwards. In the H4 it is downwards, so you don't need to trade it. You need to calm down. Okay, when you have run your analysis in the higher time frame, the most higher time frame, like monthly, weekly, you already know that this USD is a bearish market. So what you need to know is that the measures matter. So the measured trend is downwards. Okay. So this trend, which is a temporary or short-term trend, you don't need to trade it. But if at all you're gonna trade it, then you apply tight risk management. So if you are going to risk 5% in the measured trend, then you can risk 2% or 1% in this minor trend. Okay. And the truth is trend. So it's trend because the moving average has crossed up, so it's trending upwards. So actually, the output of moving average crossing signals a trend. So long the price action does not cut to the moving average loop continuously, you can see that price action respected the moving average loop. It takes a lot of time before it will enter the loop, and that is during a major retracement like this ones. Okay, so when the moving average loops are parallel or a kind of not touching, it shows that the trend is strong, or it shows the presence of trend in such markets. And so this is a kind of trend, but it's short term, it's not long term, it's just a minor. Because if you view it at H4, you will see it's also a retracement. Okay, so immediately you see this crossover, this give us an output of our downtrend market. So you have to take your profit here, but remember you're actually risking small amounts because you are trading retracement. But here you are now trying to actually uh, spot another change of trend. But one thing is, moving average crossing is not a guarantee that trend is perfectly changing, but it can help you to filter a lot of errors, because you can see that here there is a crossing, so we expect a downward output, but it just creates a downward movement just here and also switch over again. So price action is needed. That's why you need to enroll for our courses to learn the deep secret of trading. And you see, these are very, very apparent. It can make you lose money. So long you are correct in one direction does not mean the direction will be good all the time. It will change sometime and then you will lose money. Are you getting me? So you have to be conscious of this so that you can be able to plan ahead. So you can see this crossing finally hold here for the long term or measure trend. Yes, immediately it happened here. We know that the short-term upward direction have died off or trend have died off, so we need to be selling because we are going to be happy here. Because why we are happy selling is because the major trend is in the direction of selling, and so we will make more money than when we are buying. And you see, it keeps selling, it keeps selling, and immediately we see another course, we can take our profit because it's a sign that this market might actually reverse and go into another type of trend, which will take our money or reduce our profits, something like that. You see. So this is what I have for this topic. This is what I have for this topic. Thank you. Thank you. You really need to keep pushing to add value to your kind of you know previous progress. If it's not going well, you need to add value by subscribing to our VIP or enrolling for our courses. Not just watching video. Watching video is not okay. You need to do something extraordinary for you to see extraordinary results. Okay. This is what I have. Thank you and bye for now.